What's happening? My name's Vince, that's Brandon. We're going on geocaching mission today. We got a little loop around Tahoe Mountain area. Oh yeah, Shasta's here too. 0.3 miles away, called Core Values. It was placed for Geo Tahoe 2015. Not quite. It's Mount Tallac. That's Pyramid Peak back there with the snow. And that's Angora Peak. No e-bikes, no pedal assist. Savage, dude. No pedal assist to get up the mountain? That's such a shame. Why? That's a good dog. That's a good dog. $58 feet. 49. Yeah, I think it's gonna be at the core of like one of those. Yeah. A big tree. 28 feet. 23, 18. It's probably right here. 11, 4, 3, 6. Getting further. At the core. So I'm looking at like the cores. I wonder what the hint was. Oh, there's that.
I feel like it's that one.
That stump's pretty cool looking too.
That stump looks like the winner.
It does look cool. I wonder if it's hanging upside down in here. Oh, spiders are such a thing. There's such a thing as a spider. Are we gonna climb up there? Is that the next step? Oh, oh. Dude, this is sketch. Super sketch. It could be at the bottom of that. Typical geocaching maneuver right now. Walk up on the sketchiest thing that you can find. Oh my god. Okay. Back down. Shasta's like sitting right on top of it. Read some logs. 2 feet away, 29 feet away. Make up your mind, phone. 4 feet, 1 foot. This is GZ at the core. Slip through the cracks. Okay, that's the hint.
Meaning?
Take a stroll through part of the slowly recovering Angora fire burn. Here you can see the destruction. Blackburn meets fresh green.
I feel like it's that one right there. But it looks awful fucking.
Yeah, we're gonna go back with the gut instinct of this log. Oh, I see.
See it?
No, but I'm gonna guess that it's gonna be around here somewhere.
When I reach my hand up like that.
Yeah, I tried and I was like second guess that. Really need my geo senses to kick in right now so I can have my geo crack. Help us find it, Shasta girl. Where is it? Where is it? Ow, there's so much spiky bushes here. You're way too far. If this is ground zero, where burn meets green. Yep. I'm gonna give this one more read over. Activity September 7th, 2019. The hate kept us in the correct area. I had to use the balance beam approach to get to ground zero without becoming a human pin cushion. It does sound like it's up there. So it does sound like it's up there or something. Or the balance beam. It says something about a balance beam got us there.
There's another hole over there.
That's what I'm wondering. Ow. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Okay. Spiky bushes. Balance beam. Here we go. Don't fall in the log. Okay. Here we are at the next crack down the line. No. I don't see nothing. Oh, don't fall inside the log. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Can we grab it though? Oh, it was supposed to be attached to something. Nice. Find number 3 today. Stoked. Get this pen going.
Who carries an Obama pen on for that long?
October 18th. Dude, those logbooks are like the perfect size. Just write that all in there. Nice. That's why they said you might become a human pincushion. All right. Let me log this. Quite the crazy balancing walk to get there.
Shasta girl is down here like, what the fuck is he doing?
Third find of the day. Out here with SBS Brandon. Take a photo of the dog and Brandon. Perfect. And that makes find number 692. Hashtag geocaching Tahoe. Hashtag Tahoe geocaching.
Hashtag pack your trash out.
Peace till next time. Thanks for watching. And it's called Oft Overlook. One of the least visited areas with the best views in town. Great trail system. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy my geo senses just worked. Woo.